Hello, a very good afternoon to you. A shift in weather conditions across the UK this week, from high pressure to low pressure, something more unsettled with rain over the next few days. The heat wave having officially ended for most of us. Hello, a very good evening to you. A real change in the UK's weather as we go through this week, with low pressure taking control. We're going to see more showers around over the next few days, some warm spells of sunshine, but a gradual cooling down of temperatures as we go through the week.
Hello there, good evening. Well, a pretty miserable, grey and very wet day across London and the southeast today. Plenty of very heavy rain and thunderstorms, and we do have a yellow weather warning issued by the Met Office still in force until midnight tonight.
Good evening. It really has been a day of contrast today. Further north and west, you had some beautiful sunshine and warmth. Temperatures probably sitting around the mid-20s, but it all went a little bit downhill from lunchtime across southeast England. This was Kent, and in actual fact, we have seen some really significant sharp showers. In the last 4 hours, over 3,000 lightning strikes have been recorded, culminating in the Met Office issuing an amber weather warning with an inch of rain falling across parts of London and Kent, and that's brought some localised flooding.
Hello again, a very good evening to you. Some real drama in the skies overhead this evening with amber warnings for thunderstorms over the coming hours. So potential for flash flooding, localised disruption as well. As you can see, these really potent downpours pushing north to south. Well, finally, we've got a break for hay fever sufferers coming up. After the high pollen levels of late, we're generally looking at moderate to see us through the next few days. There will be some fluctuation with things dipping at times when those showers head through.
Thanks, Charlotte. Good evening, everybody. I am going to get to the weather for the week ahead, but I just wanted to look at the week just past because summer arrived, didn't it? In fact, we had some record-breaking heat recorded in Northern Ireland, not once, but 3 times. They broke their all-time record high, culminating on Thursday with 31.4 Celsius. And the heat was quite widespread across the country, with 7 consecutive days seeing temperatures in excess of 30 degrees. So it was hot by day. It was also very warm overnight, quite uncomfortable. This chart, well, this shows Cardiff Tuesday into Wednesday, so temperatures peaked at 30 degrees, but by 10 o'clock in the evening, they were still sitting at 23 Celsius. Very uncomfortable indeed. And it was this cumulative effect of extreme heat by day and some warm, humid nights that led to the Met Office issuing its first extreme heat warning. Now, as we all know, more heat in the summer has the ability to create and keep some humidity. And of course, after 3 fine days, yes, we had some thunderstorms. And in fact, we had some localised flooding through the middle part of the week in Kibworth in Leicestershire. This was Rothley. As you can see, golf ball size hail sent in by Phil. And in the last few hours, we've seen some significant thunderstorms across London and through Kent, which has brought some localised flooding as well. And it's this theme that's going to continue into our weather this week.
Hello. Like yesterday, some of us are seeing blue skies and sunshine today, but for others, we've got torrential rain and thunderstorms. It's all down to this area of low pressure. It's going to be with us for much of the week ahead, and it's been generating frequent showers and thunderstorms through parts of East Anglia, South East England, Central and Southern England. We now have an amber warning from the Met Office for thunderstorms across London and the home counties through this evening. So further torrential rain, gusty winds and also hail as well. Hello. Some of us have seen big changes in the weather through the weekend, from the heat to thunderstorms, and we'll all see something different in the week ahead as the blue skies and sunshine are replaced with something cooler, frequent showers, but still some spells of sunshine, especially later in the week.
Good evening. Well, if you live in Northern Ireland, I hope you've managed to enjoy the glorious sunshine of recent days. Yet again, not a cloud in the sky today, and highest values of 28 degrees. It was also glorious in Scotland, Northern England and much of West Wales. But just take a look at what happened across South East England. Through this afternoon, well, we saw some real torrential, thundery downpours stretching from East Anglia down towards the Isle of Wight. It was a narrow band, but an intense band of thundery rain. Officially, a couple of inches have fallen, but some unofficial rain gauges, well, they've recorded 3 to 4 inches of rainfall. There's been some localised flooding as well.